In front of me is INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Password Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section here called Google. Now select All Services. Scroll again and hit Autofill with Google over here. Now tap on Google Password Manager. Select any password you wanna check and enter your screen lock. Then tap on this eye icon next to your password and this way make it visible. If it's too long for you to see here, don't worry, choose Edit and tap on it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!